Hey, welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you. I feel like it's been forever since I turned on the camera, and so I'm happy to be here today. Today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. So I purchased a few things from Shein recently and they finally came. So I figured I would bring you along to open up my package. So here is the package. It did come ripped. It wasn't all the way ripped like this, but it did come, semi-ripped. But I did check to see if all of my items that I ordered were in there, and they are all there. So thankfully nothing is, is missing. So yeah, this is my Shein haul. So if you're interested in watching, continue watching the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video, guys. All right, let's get right on into this haul. Okay, so this is not my first Shein haul. I normally do purchase items from Shein. It's one of my favorite places to shop online. I really do like that they have a variety of things, so many different options. They have dresses, sweaters, just bathing suits. They have everything, you name it. Jewelry, shoes. I have not purchased any shoes from Shein yet, but I do see some cute shoes on there, so I may be purchasing some in the near future. But for now, I just went ahead and purchased like some shirts and skirts for the summertime. So this is the summertime Shein haul. So let's get started. So the very first item is a skirt. So this is a thick skirt, really thick cotton type material. It is very stretchy, very stretchy. So I did get this in the size, I think I got everything in a size medium. I'm a medium. No, I actually got this in a large because I do like this type of like form-fitting skirts and things to be a little bit more loose on me. I don't want it to be snug on me. So I wanted to purchase something that I could like pair up with some sneakers and be very comfortable in, and this just seems like it's very comfortable. So that's that. Okay, so the next item, let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a really cute flowy skirt. Really cute, long, flowy skirt. Really cute. I don't think I have any skirts this color. I do see that this may be a see-through fabric, and hopefully you can't see through too much, but looking at the light coming through the window, it does seem like it's a bit see-through. So we are gonna see if it's how see-through it is once it's on. But yeah, this is a cute, long, flowy skirt. It's like a navy blue color. So that's that. All right, so the next item is a gray color also. I like, I like neutral colors, so grays, navy blues, greens. I really like those type of colors. But this is a dress, guys. Really cute dress. I actually have this type of dress in a navy blue color, and I like it so much because it's so comfortable that I went ahead and purchased it in the gray as well. So that's what the dress looks like. And the next item is another dress. Really cute, comfy dress, but it's really cute. It just has like a cute little knot type effect right here, so it looks like your fabric is like ruched or whatever. So it looks really cute. That's what that looks like. Okay, so I think this is a shirt, guys. I like the Shein t-shirts. They're really good quality shirts. You can't go wrong with white. I love white shirts. So yeah, that's what this is. Yeah, so I bought this so that I can pair it with my long flowy skirt. Maybe put a little bit of a knot at the corner of it or at the end of it and wear it with the flowy skirt. I think this would pair up really well with the skirt. So that's what that looks like. And it does have some ruching. I don't know if I'm saying that word right, but it does have some like ruching right here at the shoulder of the shirt. And it is tapered at the sleeve. So that's what that looks like. And I bought this in a medium. I think everything except for like the form-fitting skirt is in a medium. The dresses are also a medium. Just make sure, because I don't want to be lying to nobody. There's not even a size on this dress. I don't even see a size on here. Interesting. Yeah, there's no size on this dress. Yeah, the flowy skirt is a medium. The gray dress is also a medium. So yeah, there's no tag on the black dress, but I'm pretty sure I ordered it in a medium. So okay, next item is another skirt, and this one has a cute little drawstring in the front of it. This is again another comfort skirt, something that you can wear or pair with a pair of sneakers. This is in black and it has a green drawstring. So yeah, this is just a skirt that you can wear with a nice t-shirt and pair it with some sneakers, some comfortable sneakers for the summertime, flip-flops, whatever. Just something to be casual in and dressed down in. I do love that it does have pockets, which is cool because I love pockets. Anything with pockets I love. Dresses, skirts, sweaters. If it has a pocket, I love it. So yeah, this is a nice long skirt. And it doesn't look like it would go all the way to my ankles. It actually looks like it would stop maybe at my calf. So yeah, that's the skirt. On to the next item, if I can get it to open up. Okay, so this is another dress, and it's just like the other black one that I purchased with the kind of side knot effect right here. So yeah, this is what the dress looks like. Nice summertime dress. It's like a cap sleeve dress. Really cute. This will probably go a little bit past my knees, but it looks really, really comfortable. And I love this color. I used to have a dress this color in the past, but I don't know what I did with it. I think I messed it up somehow. I don't know if I ironed it, and you weren't supposed to iron the material, and it just ironed right through it. Oops. But yeah, I love the color, so I went ahead and purchased this in that color. All right, and the next item. So this is, okay, a blue skirt, another flowy skirt with ruching. It has like, you know, ruching right here all throughout the skirt, like different sections. Really cute long skirt. It does have a drawstring right here in the front. So another cute flowy long skirt, and I plan to pair these skirts with like a nice fitted t-shirt, or you know, just regular t-shirts, tank tops, whatever. But yeah, this goes well with nice flip-flops or sandals for the summertime. So that's what I plan on wearing these skirts with. And I really do love the color. I don't think I have anything in this color. It's like a, I don't know if it's a teal. It's not really a teal blue. It's more of a, I don't even know what color this is. Really light navy blue color, midnight blue. I don't know what you want to call it. The next item is another dress. And again, it's like in the same type maroon color. I like this dress because it does have pockets. Pockets, pockets, pockets. Love pockets. But it does have the faux buttons right here on the side. Really cute. The material feels really, really comfortable. I love comfortable fitting dresses. I don't like anything that's too snug on me. I like things that are loose fitting and kind of flowy. So this is a nice dress, and I feel like it's going to be really comfortable based on the material. Again, this is a size medium. And I believe this skirt, so some things don't even show a size. So this doesn't have a size, but I'm pretty sure I ordered a medium. And again, this dress right here does not have a size, but I'm pretty sure it's a medium. And this one is a medium as well. So on to the next item. So this is a blouse. A cute navy blue blouse. You can really pair this with a nice skirt for work. I like the detail it has on the sleeve. It has little hole design right here, which is cute. And it does have a button at the back of it. Really cute skirt to wear with a skirt for work, which is nice. Even though I've been working from home, but I'm trying to prepare myself and get ready for, you know, when they do ask us to come into work, I want to have some clothes to be able to come into work in. So, because we know work from home life has just been lounging, you know, loungewear. Pretty much just been wearing anything because don't really go anywhere that much. So, you know, just been really, really comfortable. It's time to, you know, get the wardrobe right for when it is time to go back outside. So anyway, here is the last item, and this is a skirt. So this skirt I like because you can either dress this skirt down or dress it up. It has ruching here at the waist of it. It does have pockets, which is cool. Really, really nice skirt. And this is something that I can wear outside of work or to work and dress it up nicely with a pair of heels, or just wear sandals with and kind of do a casual look with this. So a really cute skirt. And this is also in the size medium. I really like the color of this too. It's not quite a solid color. It has like black and white, grayish. So a really, really cute skirt. Alright guys, that is it for my haul. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Make sure you hit that like button because it helps your girl out. And thank you again for watching. So let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of the pieces. I know everyone's style is different, so it's okay if you didn't like any of them. But let me know if you liked any of the pieces and which was your favorite one. If you did like any of them, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.